Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Open Book with Annie. I tried makeup for the first time. This is moi. How do I look? Okay. This is my first time putting on makeup. Well, the first time I put on a full makeup. I usually just do my eyebrows and my mascara. As you can see, I went all the way this time and I succeeded. Nothing beats a try. You can see. Tell me what you think. And my eyebrows could still use a little work. I've never done my eyebrows with concealer. I've only just drawn it. I'll show you an example of that, what I used to do like that before. And this is my smoky eye. I've only done this once. Don't mind my camera. You can't really see it. It sucks. So like, excuse me. So today is Saturday. And I'm kind of going through, what you call it, it's supposed to be a breakup, but if you never consider yourself to be in a relationship with somebody, does it really qualify as being in a relationship? If you know what I mean. This is my way of exerting that stress. You gotta find ways to distress yourself when you're going through situations. You don't sit around and fester in your dark emotions. This is me with my wine on this beautiful, hot, Caribbean sunny day. Folks, cheers to the weekend. Cheers to the weekend. So, no guys, I am not drunk. I am just having fun. To go on here, guys, I'm just gonna get rid of this makeup so I can go out. So this is like 4 hours of makeup. Looks good, doesn't it? I'm gonna put a list of what products I use. I hope I can remember. Goodness me. I think this took me like 30 to 45 minutes. My first try, so I feel so good about myself. Anyways, guys, time to party. Enjoying my last few minutes with my first attempt at makeup. What to do? Enjoy it while it lasts. Every moment counts. While you still can, people, make memories. While you still can. And this is my memory of myself. I accomplished this. I'm gonna feel happy about it. And it's gonna be a memory to cherish. No matter how small it is, it's still a memory that I cherish. And nobody can decide whether it's, what you call it, cherishable. What's the word, guy? You know what I want to say, but nobody decides what matters to you. Okay? So hi guys, makeup is off and I'm off to shower. So this is me without my makeup. Got a few breakouts because of the sun and my diet lately. I've been eating a lot of fast food, so I have a few breakouts. You see it? Yeah. As you get older, you know, your metabolism changes, right? So my skin used to be flawless, guys. I never used to have pimples. Maybe once in a while I have breakouts during my period, but this is a norm now. It's very annoying. So makeup is gonna be my thing right now. Makeup is surely gonna be my thing right now. Anyways, that's all for the video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more of my videos. Can't wait to show you what I have in store for you guys.